Hey guys, we're here with Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates again today. Welcome back, Tat. Great to see you.
Great seeing you. Thanks for having me.
So we are on an install today, and this is what had been in this house since it was built in 1984. Tell us a little bit about what's wrong with this.
Yeah, this is really common. We see this in most homes now. This is probably the most commonly installed window that we're replacing because other than keeping the bugs out, it really serves no other purpose.
Right.
For this family, they wanted to provide better hurricane protection because they didn't have any. They wanted to upgrade the curb appeal of their home because they weren't happy with how the window looked cosmetically. By going out from the old bronze aluminum frames and really brightening up the opening and let a lot of natural light in, they went with a white vinyl frame. And they also wanted to try to provide more energy efficiency and start to save money on their energy bill. So we went through a lot of different options. We showed them several different products, and I think they made a great decision with what they ultimately decided.
Yeah, well, they're certainly going to see a big improvement. This feels very flimsy. It has the metal frame. Your guys have been here working all day. They've got the plastic up, making sure nothing in the house gets damaged or dusty. And they've already done the prep work for this, which included adding new framing inside.
Yeah, that was the first thing we did when we got here is we prepped the opening. We make sure that the family's not working through a construction site,
right.
And we try to keep the dust and debris as contained as possible. And they were anxious to get these windows out. I mean, this certainly wasn't the window for this opening, but this was from another room. We couldn't hold the window that was in here.
It was too big for us,
yeah. I'm excited to see how everything goes. The crew's anxious to get back in here. The opening's prepped and ready for the installation, so they chose a great product from Custom Window Systems. It's going to give them the hurricane protection they were looking for and also energy efficiency as well and make this space a lot more comfortable.
Okay, well, this is a nice home, and you're here today making it even better.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Thanks so much, Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates.